Hi, I'd like to give you my review on this electric blanket. Now, I purchased this last year and I've got it back out again today because it is cold. So I have a queen size bed and this blanket fits the queen size bed. But the thing is, I'm an individual. I don't have a partner that I sleep with or anything, which is great. With this blanket, you'll see that the wires are not that wide. So if you were sleeping with somebody, if there was two people in this bed, somebody's going to get cold because there aren't enough heating elements to spread across. For me, it's perfect because, like I said, I'm a single and it fits the bed fine. There isn't a lot of excess blanket that I have to deal with. But the controls are really simple. It has just a touch, a warm, a low, a medium, and a high. I don't usually go above low. Most of the time, I just keep it on warm or medium. And it does have an automatic shut off. So it isn't something that is going to stay on if you forget to turn it off in the morning. It's going to shut off before you even awake. The other thing is, I'm not overly excited about the design. The way I have it set up in my bed is because my electrical outlet is at the head of my bed. So I have this at the head of my bed. It's a very easy attachment. You just, let me see if I can get this off of here. It just comes off and you just click it in. But I wish that I must have it set up different, because the other thing I have at this end of the bed is this big old label. Now, I guess it should have been this big old label, and this outlet should have been at the base of the bed, because you have a lot of extra cord from this to this that you could string along. But because of the way my room is set up and I only have the one outlet, I have all of this up close to my head, which I'm not overly excited about, but it works. And I have to say, this blanket is a lifesaver because it's cold here in Western Pennsylvania and it keeps me warm at night. So I highly recommend it if you are a single person and this fits a queen size bed and you want to keep warm at night. And that is my honest opinion.